a shortcut formula for standard deviation to make these calculations simpler. So we've got our x and our f that are given to us, and we're going to create a new column with f times x. So 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 5 is 10, 1 times 6 is 6. We're going to create another column with x squared times f. So I need 4 times 4 is 16, 9 times 4 is 36, 16 times 2 is 32, 25 times 2 is 50, 36 times 1 is 36. Now we're going to sum these up, get some totals. So I'll have 20, 28, 38, 44 here. And then I'll have on this side, I'm just going to have my calculator do this because I don't want to mess up. So it'll be 16 plus 36 plus 32 plus 50 plus 36, and we'll get 170 here. And so now our formula says that the standard deviation is going to be the square root of n, and that's our total frequency, right? So basically we had 4 2s, 4 3s, 2 whatever, so our total number of things were 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, so that ends up being 13. So we have 13 total. The sum of f of x squared was this number here, that 170. And then we're minusing the sum of f of x, so that 44, and then squaring it. And we're putting that all over, remember n was 13, and then 13 minus 1 is 12. That's all underneath the square root. So now we just have to plug this all in on our calculator. I like to plug it in all at once. I'll show you how that's done. Although if you want to do it step by step, that's fine too. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the square root, and that first parenthesis opens up my square root, but I'll need another parenthesis to open up the top of my fraction. So then I'll have 13 times 170 minus 44 squared. Close the top of the fraction, divide, open the bottom, 13 times 12. Close the bottom, close the square root, hit enter, we get 1.3, and we match their answer.